Are you tired of trying endless diets that promise quick fixes but never deliver? Frustrated with complicated meal plans and calorie counting? There's a simpler, more effective way to take control of your health and lose weight: intermittent fasting. In today's video, we're diving deep into the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. This method isn't just another fleeting trend, it's a science-backed approach that could completely transform how you look at food, weight loss, and even overall wellness. If you're ready to step away from the noise of fad diets and focus on a strategy that actually works, then stick around. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to start intermittent fasting, how to make it sustainable, and why it might just be the solution you've been looking for. You don't need to give up your favorite foods or meticulously track every calorie. In fact, intermittent fasting is all about when you eat, not what you eat, and that small shift can lead to major results. So, what makes intermittent fasting so powerful? It's not about starving yourself or following rigid eating schedules. It's about giving your body the time to tap into fat stores for energy, improve metabolic health, and even promote cellular repair. But the key to making intermittent fasting work is understanding the different methods, figuring out what fits your lifestyle, and taking a flexible approach that works for you. Whether you've never heard of intermittent fasting or you've tried it before without success, this guide will break down the science behind it, how it can help you burn fat and supercharge your health, and practical tips for incorporating it into your daily routine. From the popular 16/8 method to more advanced approaches like the 5:2 and alternate day fasting, we've got everything covered. So if you're ready to break free from complicated diets and finally find a sustainable way to lose weight, stay energized, and improve your overall well-being, keep watching. Intermittent fasting might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Alright, so let's jump right into it. What exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Unlike traditional diets that focus on restricting certain foods or calories, intermittent fasting is all about creating an eating schedule. The goal is to give your body a break from digesting food, allowing it to tap into fat stores for energy. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. But the results can be anything but simple. Think faster weight loss, improved metabolism, and better overall health. So, how does it actually work? When you eat, your body spends several hours processing and burning the food you just consumed. During this time, your insulin levels are high, making it harder for your body to burn fat. But when you fast, your body shifts gears. Instead of using that readily available food energy, it starts breaking down stored fat to fuel your activities. This shift into fat-burning mode usually happens around 12 hours after your last meal, and that's where the magic happens. The longer you fast, the more time your body spends in this fat-burning zone. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you need to starve yourself. Intermittent fasting comes in many forms, allowing you to pick a schedule that fits your life and goals. Now, let's talk about the different types of intermittent fasting. There are several popular methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your lifestyle. 1. The 16/8 method. This is probably the most popular method, where you fast for 16 hours and have an 8-hour eating window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast for the rest of the time. This method is great because it's flexible and easy to fit into your daily routine. If you're a beginner, this is often a great starting point, and you can adjust the hours as you get more comfortable with fasting. 2. The 5:2 method. In this method, you eat normally for 5 days a week, and on the other 2 days, you limit your calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories. It's a great way to ease into fasting without completely restricting food every day. This method allows for more flexibility on fasting days and can be a great way to maintain a healthy diet while reaping the benefits of fasting. 3. Eat, stop, eat. This one involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. It's more intense but highly effective if done correctly. You essentially fast from dinner one day until dinner the next day. It's an excellent option for people who are comfortable with going longer without food, but it can be challenging for beginners. 4. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you alternate between normal eating days and fasting days. On fasting days, you can consume about 500 calories. This method is more challenging but offers faster results for those who want a stricter schedule with more fat-burning potential. It's especially effective for those looking to lose weight quickly while keeping muscle mass intact. 5. The warrior diet. This involves fasting for 20 hours and eating one large meal at night. It's a more extreme version of intermittent fasting but can deliver incredible results for those who stick to it. The idea here is to consume small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and then have one substantial, healthy meal at night. The best part about these methods? You can tailor them to your personal schedule and preferences. You don't have to dive into the most extreme version right away. Start small and see what fits your life best. Whether it's skipping breakfast or having early dinners, you're in control of how you structure your fasting plan. Now, intermittent fasting is most known for weight loss, but did you know it's about so much more than just shedding pounds? Fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning it helps regulate your blood sugar levels. This is crucial for preventing and managing conditions like type 2 diabetes. Fasting can also improve heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure levels, making it a comprehensive lifestyle change for your overall well-being. Another surprising benefit? Intermittent fasting boosts brain function. When your body switches into fat-burning mode, it produces ketones that act as a powerful fuel source for your brain, helping improve focus, memory, and cognitive function. Plus, fasting promotes autophagy, a process where your body clears out damaged cells, which can even help with aging and longevity. Studies have shown that regular fasting may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But here's the thing, it's not just about the physical benefits. Many people report feeling more energized and clear-headed when they're fasting. That's because fasting gives your digestive system a break, allowing your body to focus on other important processes like detoxification and cellular repair. So, how do you make intermittent fasting work for you? First, stay hydrated. Water, tea, and black coffee are your best friends during fasting windows. They keep you full and help reduce hunger pangs. Plus, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing headaches or fatigue. Secondly, make sure you're eating nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. The quality of the food you eat matters just as much as the timing. Think lean proteins, healthy fats, and lots of vegetables. Avoid the temptation to binge on junk food just because you're in a fasting cycle. It defeats the purpose. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. And lastly, listen to your body. If you're new to fasting, it might take time to adjust. Start with a shorter fasting window and gradually extend it as you become more comfortable. Pay attention to how you feel, and don't be afraid to adjust the fasting schedule to fit your needs. Everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. So, there you have it, the ultimate intermittent fasting guide. Intermittent fasting is more than just a strategy for shedding pounds, it's a complete lifestyle shift that has the potential to transform your health from the inside out. Whether your goal is to lose weight, increase your energy levels, improve your mental clarity, or boost your overall well-being, intermittent fasting offers a flexible, powerful approach that fits into virtually any lifestyle. But here's the important part, everyone's body is different. What works perfectly for one person may not work as well for another, and that's okay. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that there are multiple methods you can try, whether it's the popular 16/8 method, the 5:2 plan, or alternate day fasting. The key is to experiment with what feels sustainable for you and to listen to your body along the way. Consistency, above all, is what will drive results. It's not about being perfect every day, but about creating a routine that works for your life and sticking to it as best as you can. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't just about physical changes. While weight loss may be one of the more obvious benefits, the mental clarity, energy boost, and improved metabolic health that come with fasting are just as impactful. It's a holistic approach to health that goes beyond the numbers on the scale. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to dive deeper into your health journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more tips, strategies, and insights on intermittent fasting, wellness, and more. We've got plenty of great content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. If you've already tried intermittent fasting or are excited to start, drop a comment below and share your experience. What method worked for you? What challenges have you faced? Your stories can help inspire others on their own journeys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and take control of your health.